Hi, welcome for our RTL Online Trainings and Placements. We are going to introduce the new course for the consultants who are working in Oracle EBS as technical as well as for the freshers. The course name is Oracle Fusion Cloud Technical with OICS and also AI Agent Studio. Nowadays, we know that most of the companies are asking, do you have the integration experience? And also, are you comfortable to work with AI Agent Studio in case if there is a requirement to build the agents either in financials, supply chain management, or human capital management? Are you comfortable to do it? Okay. So that's the requirement. That's why we combined these three parts where you can learn Oracle Fusion ERP applications, technical part, OICS, and AI Agent Studio. It combines mainly the BI reports part, development and customization of BI reports in financials and supply chain management modules, as well as development of OTBI analysis and dashboards, infolets, and integrate this OTBI infolets in our applications, and data migrations by using spreadsheet data loader, file-based data import, and also by using REST SOAP APIs, and working with the roles and securities, how we provide the security in different domains, different modules, and workflow approvals, BPM workflow, business process management workflow approvals, like in procurement and payables, receivables, and supplier portals. And then the complete cycle of procure to pay as well as order to cash cycle, including the table names as well as the column names, which are important. We use regularly because when we know the table name, we don't need to worry about all the columns, but we have to be very clear what is primary key and foreign key, other important columns. And important queries. Regularly, we use this queries in the applications that we'll be learning. And Redwood pages, how we can customize the Redwood pages and how to migrate from development to testing and testing to production. And then working with the AI Agent Studio and development of couple of agents and how we can go for customize existing agents and applications. And the most important thing is OICS. Entire OICS we are going to learn. Oracle Integration Cloud Services. Generally, people used to learn only OICS part. You are an integration developer. And when you are applying as experienced consultant, for example, you developed one integration for data import, which is automation for data importing the journals from legacy. You must be very clear with the financials point of view, general ledger roles and security, how we can go for set up the security and then load the data, and then how we can go for audit and testing. This is all we should be very clear. So it's learning OICS alone is not going to be helpful when you are applying as experienced consultant in the interview's point of view. Because when you say I developed some of the integrations, definitely they expect some scenarios where exactly you have used OICS, what was the requirement, and how you have achieved, how you have tested. These all questions rise, right? So we should be in a position to give the answer for those questions. That's what we were doing it. So this is a combination of our all major high level components I have explained here. Okay. And who are eligible to learn this course? Any prerequisition is required for this? Yes, you should be very clear with the SQL as well as the PLSQL also. PLSQL we don't use directly, but still sometimes they expect some basic, PLSQL. So if you are good in basic SQL, like how we write the SQL queries, of course we'll train you. We have separate trainer to make you perfect on SQL as well as in PLSQL. Definitely, the trainer will make you perfect on SQL and PLSQL if required. SQL is mandatory. We should be very strong in SQL. If you are clear with basic of SQL, then it's fine. We'll tell you what are all the regular SQL no options we use, like group by having clauses, aggregate functions, no subqueries, correlated subqueries, decode functions. This is all whatever we use regularly in the projects. We will make you perfect, not a problem. Okay. And who can learn this course? Most of the people says that this is not for freshers. We'll be getting a lot of requirements as a trained fresher. Nowadays, the companies are looking for the people who has got well trained. So I don't want to take the passed out candidates, and I don't want to invest the time to make sure that they are perfect. But if the candidates are already clear with the subject, then I'm ready to take them and use it in my projects. So if you are college passed out, straight away you can go for learn this course. Business users and technical professionals, maybe you are working in .NET or some other web applications like PHP, or maybe you are a business user like associate, process associates, or procurement managers, or procurement buyers, finance analysts. Yes, you all can learn this. Any ERP consultants, maybe you are working some the old ERPs like Siebel, JD Edwards, PeopleSoft, or maybe you are working for some other ERPs where you are not able to get the success, and or if you are looking for the best package and better opportunities, because this is the latest ERP which is cloud based as well as AI enabled ERP software. Another 20 years, no problem for Oracle Fusion Cloud in the implementations and maintenance projects point of view. And if you are from EBS background, if you are Oracle applications, EBS, maybe you are a technical consultants or functional consultants, definitely you have to upgrade the skill set. Here it is mandatory, because when it comes to Oracle Fusion Technical, you should be clear with the technical as well as the integrations part and also the agents development. Okay, so these all are the roles people can learn. And if you are a core developer, like a SQL developer or Oracle developer, if you want to upgrade your career from just not only the developer, I wanted to be a ERP consultant technically, and then also I want to be an integration consultant technically, and also I wanted to be a AI developer in Oracle Fusion applications, then this is the course is designed for you. Okay. And it's going to have around 50 hours, 50, and Monday to Friday. And this is myself, Chandra. I'll take care of the Oracle Fusion Technical entire course training end-to-end process. I got 45,000 YouTube subscribers exclusively in Oracle Fusion Cloud applications, and 45,000 Udemy students who has purchased my courses, and 300 batches I have executed since 2005. It's more than 20 years we are running this training and placements based out in Hyderabad. Okay. I request everyone to attend. You can attend these 3 demo sessions, 29th, 30, and 31. Okay. So this 8:30 a.m., that's the timing, 8:30 to 9:30, 1 hour. We are going to have 3 demo sessions. In these 3 demo sessions, I'm going to show you the practical assignments, how we do it in Fusion applications, either technical point of view or OICS point of view or AI development point of view. Okay, all the best. And I'm going to keep the description where you can find the demo date, time. Of course, here it is there in the image, but still I'll keep the demo link and other details in the description. You can go ahead for attending, and also forward to your friends or colleagues who are looking out for a good, better opportunities in the cloud and AI environment. Thank you.